quick video back over at the growing space in the field. Brought some black pipe over and some wire, some poles. I've set the poles in 30-inch beds. I've decided to go and I've put the poles in so there's 20 inches out, and we've regularised. I haven't actually measured the pipe, but I've got to do that. But we've got 4 lengths of pipe, there's one at each end, and this will be the beds then, just like this. This is so I can get this covered over, so I can get broad beans going in, you know, reasonably soon. I've got spinach to go in soon, and so on. And then this will be a path down this edge, be cleared over. As you can see, there's a slight bit where it needs raking about, which I'll do shortly.